Never skip an Hermes airport. Time for another Hermes unboxing from the airport. Two very, very hard to get pieces, one waitlist impossible to get item, and one coveted rare bag. This is why I say never skip an Hermes airport, because you never know what you're gonna find. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing and talk about it, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, and today we're doing a quick Hermes unboxing of some lovely things I got from the airport on my last trip. Don't remember which trip it is at by this point. So if that's what you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, so go to the airport a lot, travel a lot, go through the airports a lot, see a lot of Hermeses, right? And I always say to go in because you never know what they're gonna have. Sometimes they have really coveted, hard to get pieces that are impossible to get in the store. There's wait lists, more people are asking for them. Not that many people ask for them at the airport. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. You still have to build a relationship. You still have to do the whole thing, I feel like. But if you get lucky, you can get lucky, and I got lucky. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. So I went in my regular airport. My regular SA was not there, so I had to start fresh. So I was starting fresh, which is crazy. But I met another lovely person, and I asked to see a few things, and I got lucky. So I'm just gonna do it really quick. So this, which I already got, if you guys saw the video, I got, but you can never get enough of these because these are impossible to get. There's waitlists always there. Oh, the receipt. And the receipt and the authenticity. And this lovely box. Hello. It is the Farandale necklace in the size 120. You guys, I got, so if you remember, I got two other ones from the airport before. These I haven't even opened yet because I think I'm gonna gift both of these because now I have so many. They're still in the plastic. They're still wrapped, you know what I mean? Like still all up in this plastic deal, right? So I think I'm just gonna pack these nicely and give one and one because, and then I can borrow them, you know? Because why not? And they're different sizes, and so I want the bigger size anyway, which is this one, and this one already has the plastic off. So I'll do it like that. I think that's how I'm gonna do it. Perfect gift. Okay, so I got 3 of these. I also got, well, not 3, but I got 2 of these, and one I've already given to my sister. So the other one, this one or the other one, which I already unboxed for you guys, I think. But I asked for this, and I got it, and it's rare because it's in a 2025 color and with permabrass hardware, which are both, you know, not the easiest things to get. So it is Picotin F18 with permabrass hardware. In the new 2025 color blue tie. Okay? And I think the gold one, this probably will be for me, and gold will be for mom. Or vice versa. Whatever, we can switch them all, we can change them all. That's the great thing about having people to share with. You know what I mean? Family. Yeah, so I went in, did the whole thing as normally, and then I asked and I was lucky. Again, I've gone times before where I have not gotten anything, or I've asked and they had nothing, or I've asked and they didn't have what I wanted and they gave me other options and I didn't end up taking them. Last time I went, before this time, didn't get a bag because they didn't have anything that I wanted. They had a few, but nothing I wanted. And I think because I keep doing this, people keep finding out about it, which is great. And I'm grateful, but then also because I do this and you guys know more people are trying it, and then it gets harder because there's less inventory available, right? So anyway, that's all I got. Super quick. I hope that was helpful. Never skip. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies. I know your time is valuable. I know it's precious. So appreciate spending your time with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby. Bye.